Hey everybody, Justin Cena here. In this video, I'm going to show you something super powerful. I'm going to show you how you could do super fast drop shipping with Doba's USA shipping and USA based products. This is something that I get asked about a lot. Decided to make a video on it. It's all about drop shipping from the USA and how to do it the right way. And there's no doubt that drop shipping is an incredible business model. You know, a lot of people associate drop shipping with very slow shipping speeds and long delays, long processing, and shipments coming from China. And great drop shipping stores, they actually have very fast, very reliable shipping. Because it's true, shipments from China can take extra time to reach USA-based customers. But what a lot of people do is drop ship from the USA. And a really popular strategy is to do drop shipping with Doba. And when you do drop shipping with Doba, you get access to thousands of hot products that ship fast directly from the United States. There's no long shipping times. You'll be able to get these hot products into the hands of your customers via drop shipping very, very quickly. It's, perfect. It's USA to USA shipping. It's just your typical shipping, not your overseas slow, 3-week shipping from China. So we have that immediate advantage when working with Doba. And really, every single Shopify dropshipper would prefer to source from the United States. They know it's going to be higher quality, it's going to be faster shipping times. The problem is there's no built-in way to do this with Shopify. So you need to go ahead and you need to use an app, you need to pick a dropshipping partner, and that's why you need to pick Doba, because they're going to be able to have that reliable, fast, US-based inventory and US-based shipping of these hot products. The Doba app also very easy to use, requires no prior technological skill. Doba is by far the number one choice. When it comes to drop shipping, especially drop shipping from the United States, this is what I recommend, and you're going to see why. You see the link directly below this video. We're going to go over the shoulder. I'll show you all about Doba right over here, doba.com, and a lot of cool things on the homepage. I'm going to talk about the USA-based shipping, but highly recommend Doba, right? Really cool for TikTok shop drop shipping. You could do that here. Top Temu products, top rank products, top profit products. They literally make it as easy as possible to get into drop shipping. And now really most importantly, the US in-stock shipping, right? And this is the really cool part here. 731,375 hot drop shipping products available right now that ship from the US, right? And we could literally spend hours looking through all these products in any niche that you could imagine, all available to be drop shipped from the USA, right? We're not talking about slow overseas shipping on a boat. We're not talking about dealing with China or anything like that. This is drop shipped from the US, right? And it's not just a couple products. So you see 731,000 products, and we could take a look at different categories, and we can go into pets, we can go into cats, right? Literally so many different products that we could find here, and all available to do drop shipping right now, right? And immediately with Doba. And these are all based in the United States. We come over here and you see 2 business days, 3 business days, 2 business days. Right? We're not talking about very, very long lead times. We're not talking about weeks upon weeks to get this, because it ships from the United States. It actually ships from, in this case, Arizona. See, it's got very cheap USPS shipping, right? That's post office, your basic first class shipping, United States shipping, right? We're not even dealing with any other kind of weird companies. It's just USPS, right? So this is going to be reliable. It's going to be quick. It's going to be easy for all of your customers in the United States, which I'm betting probably for the majority of you make up to 85, 90, 95% of your sales. So obviously we need to focus on that. You can go through, you see some higher ticket products as well, right? You could easily sell these for close to $100, and you see the cost $48 over here. So really, really cool. Where is this shipped from? California. Okay, free shipping. So really, really powerful, this time FedEx. So again, not any type of, weird courier or any type of forwarding or, shipping that's going to take an extra 20 days. No, it's all, US-based shipping, really powerful. And I'm just showing you cat products because, of course, that's the niche that I always show. And you could search for your specific topic. You can come over here and maybe you want to do a wall art thing, or maybe you want to create a needlework store. It's something I'd never even consider, right? You could do this whole do-it-yourself stitch kit. Literally, you can build a whole store just on these products. So kind of just click through here and, find your niche or get inspired and create your own store. You want to start a camping and hiking store. You got over 5,200 products that you could add in here. You can curate all these different products ready to go, even a little portable barbecue grill. Pretty cool. And of course, when you click into it, you see all the details. You see list to store, download to get all of the contents, including the images and the description, and of course the price. You could see the shipping information, the processing time, all of the different images that will be able to get added into your store. So US-based shipping, right? It's going to be fast. It's going to be reliable. And when you want to go ahead and do drop shipping right, you need to use Doba because they make it so easy, right? You find the product over here. We did the US-based search. Now we click Add to Inventory List. And adding to inventory list, and we could even go ahead and group our products. Adding to inventory list basically is the step in between where we take our products from Doba, we get them ready to go into Shopify. They go into our inventory list, and then we're ready to list to store. And we could list them all to store at once. We could just select one, list to store, right? Basically what's going to happen is automatically it's going to get listed into our store. And we already have our Shopify store connected. I'm using a demo account here, but inside of my own store, I've already clicked Connect Now. You'll click Connect Now, and you'll basically go over here and click Shopify. And this will then prompt you back over into your Shopify store where you'll install the app. And you've probably already done that if you followed along with my other videos. If not, make sure you have your store linked. And then once you have your products in inventory list, you're then able to list them into your store. And that's it. People are then able to buy it. You could edit all of the contents of your groupings and your tags. And of course, all the important information as well comes automatically, like the description and the images. You don't need to do anything about that. It just kind of automatically gets sent. So really, really powerful. Again, over here, list to store, add to cart if you want to order it and buy some sample to test the quality. But really powerful. Doba also has some really cool AI. I'm going to make another video all about that. So make sure you check out my YouTube and subscribe for all that. But, it's really powerful. It's just all about, the idea that, hey, we want US-based products. And we don't want just a few. I showed you over 700,000 US-based products, USA inventory, worry-free service, fast delivery, trending and popular products. That's why you use Doba. So that was Doba, and again, highly recommended. It's not just for US-based in-stock products. They have so many products worldwide, really just the #1 dropshipping partner. And you see the link directly below this video. So make sure you jump in, get that Shopify app as well installed in your store. You'll be good to go. Start adding products, start making sales. And I really hope you make some money with Doba. If you have any questions, please do leave a comment. Make sure you stay tuned for more videos about Doba on my channel. Otherwise, I hope this helps you make some money, and I'll talk to you real soon.